wish you all a very, very, very happy new year. I wish we all have a lot of happiness, joy and health in our lives. Well, keeping that healthy note in mind, should we make something healthy? We always make something healthy, but साल का पहला Toddler Tuesday recipe है, तो बच्चों के लिए कुछ मीठा तो बनेगा ही. But I'm going to add a lovely fruity twist to it. We're going to make cake pops. But कई बच्चों को fruits पसंद नहीं है, तो I am going to turn the fruit into a yummy fruit pulp, a fruit compote. So we are going to make some orange compote here in a pan, जिसके लिए मैंने fresh oranges लिए हैं, season में भी है, yummy है, खट्टापन है, tanginess है. I'm going to add this to this pan. Some sugar. Just let it cook in its own juices first. So see how this has started bubbling. Sugar will break down the oranges का जो fructose है even more. अब इसमें हम थोड़ा सा orange juice डाल देंगे and we're going to let it cook on a gentle heat. अब इसे मैं यहाँ पे कम आंच में रख देती हूँ and तब तक let's make some more compote with strawberries. Well, season में है, इसका फायदा उठाना चाहिए, right? अगर आप चाहें तो एक के साथ भी बना सकते हैं. But I want to give some, mix of flavors, just a little variety. और अगर आप बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं, उनके friends के लिए बना रहे हैं, then a little bit of effort in giving it some more flavors will definitely get you more brownie points. Now, इसे भी हम एक pan में डालेंगे. Just the same process, but a different flavor. Stir this in. Let's add some sugar, some water. I just love strawberries. I love the color, I love the aroma, I just love everything about it. Alright, अब इन्हें हम छोड़ देंगे. दोनों थोड़ा low flame में धीरे धीरे पकेगा and they become nice and mushy and gooey and yummy. And then we are going to add them to something which I'm going to prepare now. Alright, these are done. अब ये थोड़ा सा ठंडा जब होगा तो और भी thick होगा. तो यहाँ मेरे पास है ready-made vanilla cake. अगर आपके घर में कुछ leftover cake है, you can use that as well. You can make fresh cake for it if you like. But the magic is different. Around 5 slices of cake in one bowl, 5 slices in another. Most people would say it's not so healthy. So let's make it healthy. I'm going to add some almond flour to this cake. Alright? So 2 big heaped spoons of almond flour in both. Now let's start crushing this. This is so therapeutic. In fact, अगर आप चाहें तो बच्चों को भी involve कर सकते हैं. Just bring them in. They're going to love doing this. Of course, थोड़ा सा mess होगा, उनके हाथ गंदे होंगे, पर मजा बहुत आएगा. Alright, ये अच्छे से अब crumble हो गया है. Now let's start adding our compotes. I'm going to start with the orange one. Lovely. Just going to first do this with the spatula itself. Mix it all inside. तो ये अब इतनी देर में ठंडा भी हो गया होगा. Okay, now let's add the strawberry compote. Lovely. Not gonna waste even a speck of strawberries. Look at how beautiful this is looking. Lovely. So this is done and this is done. Now it's time to make our cake pops. A plate with a parchment paper here. और यहाँ पे some colorful sticks. Okay, अब ये spatulas को हटा देते हैं and let's begin with the orange cake pops. Now because of the compote, what has happened is जो moisture हमने add किया है हमारे cake और almond flour में, it nicely helps us hold the shape. So इसे हम अच्छे से round कर लेंगे. Okay. Now these are done. अब इसमें हम लेंगे एक stick, उसे ध्यान से अंदर डालेंगे and just going to place this on the parchment paper. How cute, isn't it? Well, ये सारे बनाने के बाद इन्हें हमें freeze करना है at least 2 to 3 hours के लिए. Why? So that this mixture holds on to the stick really well. And जब हम coat करेंगे इसे, yes, yes, हम कोट भी करेंगे. जब कोट करेंगे तो with the weight it will not slide off the stick. Okay, so like this. Alright, so let's give this a break for the moment and let's bring another plate for our strawberry cake pops. इसे अच्छे से मिला देते हैं ताकि कोई भी white portion ना रह जाए. Lovely. Now let's start making. Oh, lovely. Are they looking just gorgeous? Alright, last pinky. Well, ऐसे भी इतने cute लग रहे हैं. You can just eat it just the way they are. But when they are coated with some chocolate, they will look that much more exciting and that much more yummy. और नए साल में बच्चों को impress करने का इससे अच्छा मौका आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, चलिए अब इसे फ्रिज में रख देते हैं करीब 2 to 3 hours के लिए. लेकिन I already have one lot ready. Alright, here are my lovely frozen cake pops. अब इसके साथ और मैजिक करेंगे. So I have a thermocol box here जिसे मैंने पेपर से कवर किया and I've made some holes in it to help my cake pop stand. अब मैं इसे कोट करूंगी white chocolate के साथ and dark chocolate के साथ and I'm going to sprinkle some stuff. So let's start with some dark chocolate. Let's just pour it. Ooh, nice. Just ensure that the excess chocolate comes out. हल्का सा उसमें sprinkles of your choice. And here you go. Let's just place this here. Now let's pick up an orange one. And another spoon. जैसे मैंने कहा इसे frozen होना चाहिए, otherwise क्या होगा with the weight of the chocolate वो जो stick है उससे निकल आ सकता है. So just be a little careful with that. Now some sprinkles. Now the reason I'm not dipping it inside is because the weight becomes too much and like I mentioned earlier, chances are that the stick will pop out. Are they looking cute? Well, they're so cute. अब मैं बाकी के बनाने से पहले आपको याद दिला दूं कि आपको क्या करना है. You have to like and share this video with all your friends and family. And the reason I'm rushing this up is because I can hear my son coming into the room. वो सारे खत्म कर देगा and I don't want that to happen. And while I prepare the rest, don't forget to subscribe to Amrita Raichand Chef&Beyond so that you have easy access to all my yummy recipes. I hope this year is as sweet for you as these amazing cake pops. See you very soon. Bye bye.